Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about the Form Designer palette. The palette of the Form Designer consists of three parts: System, Form Widgets, and Form Containers. The palette is used to add new elements to the form and to change the method of selection of elements in the form. You can hide the palette by pressing the black triangle at the top left corner. It increases the size of the view pane. The first part of the palette refers to how you select elements on the view pane. The first method is standard, selection by cursor, when you place the cursor on any point of the form and corresponding element is selected. And the second way is selection by marquee. This means that you select elements in the form in a rectangle area. You can see that all elements in the rectangle area have been selected. It is a very useful feature for selection of elements in such container as grid panel. The second part is the form widgets, that consist of all widgets that can be present on the form. And if you want to add a new widget to the form, you need to click the widget button and move the cursor to the view pane. If the operation of adding a new element is allowed, a green circle with a plus sign will be displayed. If the operation is not allowed, you will see a red circle with a minus sign. When you move the cursor to the required position, you have to click the mouse and the new element is created on the form. If the place is not vacant, the element will be replaced with the new one. The same pattern is used to create new containers on the form. Now let us talk about the context menu of the palette. If you right-click the palette, the context menu will appear on the screen. However, we do not recommend to use this feature with the exception of Settings item. The reason why we do not recommend it is that in case you remove some elements from the palette, you might forget it, and it will be rather difficult to restore the element. But Settings item can be freely used. By using Settings, you can set the view, like show only icons for entries. In this case, the required space is significantly reduced. Or you can change the number of columns. Or you can change the parameters of font. You can change the size and type. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.